At what point do we have enough data to decide whether to scale, continue testing, or pause a campaign? So at what point do we have enough data? Let's define what enough data is. For us, for example, in Scale, we're going to gather as much data as we need in order to get enough data. Now, the enough data in this case would be if we're running an exact match campaign, do we have at least 20 clicks to take one action for that exact keyword? And if we do, then great. But usually what we would do is not only test the one thing, but test 5 things at the same time. So for example, if we are running a campaign for one keyword, a campaign in exact match, we would replicate the same strategy. So we would have 5 different keywords in 5 different campaigns in exact match, run them all together in the same time, run them for as much as it takes for data to get generated. And then based on that, we are going to decide, okay, out of all these, which is the keyword that 1, we managed to produce at least one sale, 2, it's the cheapest for us. So CPC wise, we can afford bleeding more for the keyword in case that it's not converting. And then 3, must also be highest relevant for whatever we're selling, because if it's something that is not even highest relevant for whatever we're selling, why are we continuing spending money for? And then the next, it's going to be which one had the best conversion, because we are treating all of them like exact match campaigns. So which one of these has the best conversion for whenever people are landing on our listings and they're purchasing the product with that specific keywords. And then based on that, let's say campaign 1, it's a CPC of $20. It's super expensive for us. So technically, even with 3 clicks, we have to spend at least $60, right? So that can be something that, okay, now that we understand that it's so expensive for us, maybe we're not going to test that keyword further. But maybe we have a second keyword in the second campaign that it's costing us $2 to convert. For that one, we can generally have 10 clicks and it's going to equal with the first campaign that it was for the 1 click, $20. So that's how we are strategizing the data. And based on that, we would decide when to scale, when to continue testing or pause them. So we're going to allow it enough time to generate the data, how much it costs us, and based on how much it costed us, we're going to see which one makes most sense for us to continue building on top.